Suspects would reach out to elderly people, telling them they won the Publishers Clearinghouse sweepstakes.
Hoping to collect her pot of gold, she has lost $190,000 to a scammer.
A Central Florida man thought he had just become a multi-millionaire. Instead, he said he was conned out of hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Her life savings was gone.
We can't let them track us at this time. We have to just keep an eye out and just keep it active. Keep it trending just like the music.
Is that Carter?
Hello? Hello, darling. How are you doing today? You took my money, man. You took my motherfucking money, dude.
Darling, what are you talking about, darling?
What money is going out my bank account?
Darling, I didn't take any money. I sent it off.
Nothing to worry about.
Hello, Eric from Brazil. Hello. This is Robert. Yes, Robert. I'm part of the promotion team from Sweepstakes, and I just want to tell you that you've won 20,000 in Sweepstakes. Yes, you've won 20,000 in our promotion. Yes.
Promotion.
Yes, all you have to do is send a $100 payment to clear the taxes, and you will win the payment.
Can you convert, man?
What currency do you use?
In reais, Brazilian money, reais.
I saw me turn up a scheme with just one chop. When the cars call a fiance, send one hot dogs, charge one land tax.
Hello.
You have won millions in Sweepstakes.
What the fuck?
Sweepstakes nice. That is called a play wise.
Hello, Miss Chen. Is this you, Miss Chen?
听不懂。
Oh, it is Miss Lee. Oh, my bad. My bad, Miss Lee. My bad, Miss Lee.
Bye bye.
Miss Lee, no. Miss Lee, do not take off, Miss Lee. We need the food. We need the food. We need 20,000 to claim here. We need Miss Lee.
I'm tired of suffering.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Yes, you have won millions in Sweepstakes, and you just need to make a short, small contribution to win your millions. Yes, you will be sending the food. Send it to my account, okay? 20,000. Okay, you have won a house, a car, a jet. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much. Just get off your chopper food right there, right? That's a slaughter. Yeah, man, I say. Congratulations! You have won millions in Sweepstakes. Yes, you have won a house, a car, a jet. Yes, my friend, you can believe it. Yes, my friend. Hello.
If I start kissing walls, will I get a big check from the big Yahoo?
Listen, you can get a big check. All you need to do is send the funds to my account. Hello. Hello.
Yo.
There's a man that read a box foot dog. Trying to scam the clients, bro, but they're not sending the funds. I don't know if my corporate voice isn't good enough for them, bro.
Let me hear your voice, bro. Let me hear the fake voice.
Hello, Susan. Yes, this is Susan. Yes, this is Robert from Sweepstakes. Yes, yes. You have won $1 million in Sweepstakes.
Bro,
yes.
You gotta say like 20,000. You can't say 1 million, brother. They not gonna believe that shit.
Damn, that's the method.
Yo, guys saying a meal. Come on, gang.
I wanna see this lady I just scammed, bro.
Yeah.
Like, this shit crazy. Yeah, I was calling her phone. I don't know why she was calling down. Like, what was she talking about? Like, I need a new car tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I need that shit right now. You know what I'm saying? You see where I'm at, nigga? You see in crib? I ain't even got no shirt, nigga. That's how broke I am. I'm broke. Can't eat. I'm broke.
I can't eat! I'm broke, nigga! I'm broke!
Oh shit, he's smoking paper. Nigga don't got no money for some weed.
Yo, I'm broke. Can't eat. That's why I'm a scammer, bro. I'm just out here scamming.
Say
Like,
you a scammer, nigga. Where's your weed at? That shit not even lit. It's a piece of paper rolled up. Come on.
I'm too broke, bro. Like, I'm just trying to scam this lady right now. You know what I'm
If
saying?
you can send me your bank details, I swear to God, I'll hit a method that we can both get 100K out of.
Yeah.
Nah, but you know what's crazy though? Like, I heard you won $1 million in sweepstakes, my friend. Yes, my friend, it is 100% real. You have won $1 million in sweepstakes.
One scam from me, I beat me bed. I find a way to make easy bread. I got a dolly for my skull, me just squeezing mate.
Susan, hello? Yes. I need you to send the funds to my account, please. Yes, it is true. You have won millions of dollars in sweepstakes. Yes, Susan. You won a house and a car. Yes, Susan. Okay, Susan. Talk to you soon, Susan. Crazy.
Who the fuck is Susie?
This old lady I just scammed, like, she sent me like $10,000 because I told her she won like $1
I won't
million.
snitch on you if you send me 100.
Shit, you won 100? Like, shit. Oh shit. Bomb cloud. I say bomb cloud back, please.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Yo, that's a nigga. Hold on. Wipe it up. Care, nigga. I'm a scammer, bro. I just scammed this nigga. He got cancer, bro. I just scammed him out of his cancer funds, bro. That nigga finna die. Word.
Fuck that. Let's scam some fags into giving us some money. You ever did that?
Yeah. Many serious scammer voice. Like, I need to hear your scammer voice, bro. Like, how you gonna call him on the phone? Like, you gotta call him on the phone, be like, hello.
Yeah, man.
No, when you on the phone. Hello, is this Robert? This is Kai from Jamaican Insurance. I just want to tell you that we have $50,000 waiting for you. All we need is your card number, the zip code, and your address.
I like you tough. Like, I might gotta recruit you, but
I don't wanna talk about Baba 2 prototype, dog.
It was good. Give me
yeah,
a
it was
shot in your face.
good.
Love when boy feel like him too tough.
We got all your money took from your account.
Hell yeah.
Shit, I'm trying to do it again.
You would never take my money. I would kill you if I found out you took my money, nigga.
Little boy bar night chat. Money gone and you can't get it back.
What you talking about?
Yeah, me, but I'm a job bombing that is.
I go with one rifle of that little bit, my dog got 30 strong that left a boy not the pass.
Had a Jamaican scammer before, bro.
You trying to rush KKK?
What are you talking about, man?
Scam white boy.
Now if you make white boy lose weight.
Bring semester rush KKK, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Huh?
Nah, bro. Scam white boy like you. You know what I'm saying? Send a big chop in the
Bro,
air. I said up.
Bro, rush. Bro, rush. I'm telling you, bro. We're the best frat, bro. KKK, bro. I'm telling you, we're the best frat in the fucking hood.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
Yo, cause man, take all of the money in your bank account. I'm taking all the money in your bank account. All of it's gone, bro.
I'm gonna send you my Instagram.
Jump on the line and wake up Susan. She fi send her one food, but it take too long. But me just a go and could a last chop a caution.
You know my mad when I care, my dog a force like a rabbit, not a man when I fear. Me drop a couple hits, song, me know my granny a hear. Prefer stop, fuck, drop, pop me in a ear.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Then bark, nigga. Bark, nigga. Bark.
Yo, you buff? Are you buff?
You clearly not, nigga. You fat as hell. Fat ass nigga.
I said, are you buff? Who was that?
yeah, you kinda straight, nigga. You kinda straight, bitch ass nigga. Yes, nigga. Why the fuck? Like, yo. Fat ass nigga. Fat ass nigga. Fat ass nigga, bro. Fat ass nigga.
You got braces on? You got braces on?
More than your broke ass nigga. Like, listen. Scamming worked out for me. Scamming worked out for me. This straight, nigga. This shit straight, nigga. Like, what the fuck you talking about, nigga?
God, sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Like I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.